Can you believe that even at 60, your brain can still grow new cells? Scientific research reveals a hidden potential that never truly disappears with age. Harvard University researchers have shown that neuroplasticity remains active throughout your life. Your brain is not fixed. It is a dynamic organ capable of maintenance and repair. The secret to supporting this power lies in providing the right nutrients. These compounds must cross the blood-brain barrier to nourish those vital neurons. Think of the blood-brain barrier as a high-security fortress protecting your mind. Only specific molecules are granted entry to nourish and defend your precious cognitive functions. When these special antioxidants penetrate this barrier, they begin a process of restoration. They target oxidative stress and provide essential building blocks for cellular health. Modern neuroscience has updated the old belief that brain cells only decline. We now know that specific dietary choices can actually support the maintenance of neurons. Maintaining a sharp mind after 60 is not just about luck or genetics. It is about the fuel you choose to provide for your internal system. By understanding the synergy of certain golden foods, you can help manage brain volume. You have the power to protect your memories and maintain your mental clarity. Let us explore the 5 specific foods that act as biological keys. These ingredients are shown to support brain health and encourage the natural maintenance process today. The first essential food is fatty fish, specifically rich in life-giving oils. Salmon and sardines are powerhouses of nutrition that your brain seeks for stability. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, primarily DHA and EPA. These are the primary structural components that make up the very fabric of your brain. Omega-3 acts as a specialized support for your cognitive system. It ensures that the fluid dynamics within your neural environment remain optimal for effective communication. As we age, our cell membranes can become less flexible. Omega-3 works to support these membranes, allowing nutrients to enter and metabolic byproducts to leave easily. When your brain cells maintain flexibility, electrical signals can travel efficiently. This means clearer thinking, better recall, and a significant boost in overall mental processing. Research suggests that high intake of these healthy fats can support long-term cognitive wellness. Imagine supporting your memory health significantly through simple choices. When is your next birthday approaching in the coming months? Let that day mark the beginning of your brain's wellness journey through proper, targeted nutrition. Incorporating fish into your weekly meals creates a protective shield for your neurons. It is a delicious way to ensure your brain stays resilient. Omega-3 also supports the healthy flexibility of the blood vessels within your brain. This ensures that every corner of your mind receives the oxygen it needs. By choosing these healthy fats, you are essentially nourishing your cognitive architecture. You are building a stronger, more flexible mind that can withstand the test of time. Next, we have the incredible blueberry, often called a brainberry by experts. These small fruits carry a massive punch of neuroprotective compounds called anthocyanins. The deep purple color of the blueberry is a signal of its power. This pigment is a concentrated source of antioxidants that target brain health specifically. Anthocyanins are remarkable because they can cross the blood-brain barrier directly. They travel straight to the areas that seek protection and nourishment most. Inside the brain, these compounds help manage harmful free radicals. These radicals are primary factors behind the natural changes in brain volume as we age. Studies have demonstrated encouraging results for seniors. Regular consumption can significantly support short-term memory in as little as 12 weeks. Imagine being able to remember names, dates, and locations with the same ease you value. Blueberries provide the biological support to make this possible. They also facilitate better communication between neurons by supporting signal pathways. This keeps your mental connections clear and your responses sharp. Adding a handful of these berries to your breakfast is a simple habit. It is perhaps the most enjoyable way to defend your brain health as you age. The evidence is clear. The antioxidants in blueberries are essential for neural wellness. They help manage oxidative stress and promote a vibrant mental environment. Every berry you eat is an ally in the fight against brain atrophy. Your brain will thank you for this delicious and powerful daily intervention. Our third golden food is the humble beetroot, specifically in its juice form. This deep red elixir is a source of vitality for your cerebral circulation. Beetroots are exceptionally high in natural nitrates, which undergo a natural transformation. Once they enter your body, they support a powerful molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps your blood vessels relax. This allows for a healthy surge of oxygenated blood to reach the brain. Many areas of the aging brain seek more support due to changing blood flow. Beetroot juice helps nourish these pathways, feeding the regions that need it most. But here is a critical tip. Avoid using strong mouthwash immediately after drinking it. You need the natural bacteria on your tongue to help with the nutrient conversion. These friendly bacteria help turn nitrates into the essential precursors for nitric oxide. Protecting them ensures you get the full brain-boosting benefits. By allowing this natural process to occur, you ensure optimal blood delivery. Your brain receives a fresh supply of nutrients that helps clear mental fog. The result is improved focus, better executive function, and a surge in mental energy. It is like restoring the clarity in a mind that felt dimmed. Nitric oxide is key to maintaining a healthy vascular system within the skull. Beetroots provide the support in a safe, natural, and highly effective way. Drink to your health and your mind's future with this vibrant root. It is a simple addition that offers profound benefits for long-term cognitive stability. The fourth food is the walnut, a nut that carries a secret in its shape. Nature has left us a clue by making it look like the brain. Just like the high hemispheres of your brain, the walnut is split into two halves. This physical resemblance is matched by its incredible internal chemistry for health. Walnuts contain a high concentration of alpha-linolenic acid. This specific plant-based omega-3 is vital for maintaining the structural integrity of your mind. They are also rich in polyphenols and specialized vitamin E that help manage lipid oxidation. This protects the fatty tissues of your brain from oxidative damage. Research suggests walnuts can help maintain the health of the cortex. This is the area responsible for higher-level thinking and complex problem-solving. By keeping the cortex healthy, you preserve your wisdom and intelligence. You stay capable of learning new things and staying engaged with the world. Walnuts are a convenient snack that provides a steady supply of brain-supporting blocks. They are the perfect portable defense against the effects of time. Include a few walnuts in your daily routine to support your neural architecture. This simple habit helps maintain the physical health of your brain as you age. Nature provides exactly what we need if we know where to look. The walnut is a testament to the power of whole foods in cognitive preservation. Finally, we come to green tea, an ancient beverage with modern scientific backing. It is a true source of vitality when prepared with the correct technique. Green tea is famous for EGCG, a potent compound that supports brain health. However, many people make a mistake when brewing this delicate tea. Never use boiling water at 100 degrees, as it can impact the sensitive molecules. 80 degrees Celsius is the ideal temperature to unlock the tea's potential. When brewed correctly, EGCG remains intact and travels to the brain to support BDNF. This is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a key protein for neural health. BDNF acts like a natural support for your mind, encouraging the maintenance of neurons. It also strengthens existing connections, making your brain more robust. This leads to a sense of calm focus and improved cognitive endurance during the day. It is a gentle yet powerful way to support your mental longevity. Green tea provides a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine for steady energy. It avoids the crash of other drinks while providing protection for your cells. Make it a daily ritual to enjoy a cup of properly brewed green tea. It is a moment of mindfulness that provides long-lasting benefits for your brain. By supporting the health of neurons and encouraging natural maintenance, green tea is a vital ally. It is one of the easiest ways to manage brain atrophy. The ritual of tea is more than just a habit. It is a wellness intervention. Your brain thrives on the delicate compounds found within these humble green leaves. When you combine these 5 golden foods, you create a powerful synergistic effect. the total benefit is much greater than the sum of each individual part alone. This biological team works together to repair, protect, and enhance your cognitive functions. They provide a comprehensive strategy for healthy aging. You have the power to support the trajectory of your brain's health today. It is never too late to start nourishing your mind with these elite nutrients. Your brain is your most precious asset, the seed of your personality and memories. Treat it with the respect it deserves by choosing the very best fuel. Start your journey toward a refreshed mind in your kitchen this very week. Every meal is an opportunity to support a stronger and more vibrant brain. Stay sharp, stay curious, and embrace the power of nature's golden foods for life. Your path to a resilient mind begins with the very next bite.